Okay, so today's topic we will discuss testing level. This is another chapter, testing level. Whenever we are doing the testing, some levels are there. Level 1 what, level 2 what, level 3 what. Like that, level by level only we can go. It is not like that randomly we can do. So that chapter today we will discuss. Okay, about testing level, first is definition, what is this? Then what are the different levels? How many are there? Next, integration testing method. So in that level, some integration approach also coming. So what is that? Integration. Integration means combining. If we are combining, then what we are getting? What is the process? What is the approach? So that's all only we'll discuss for today. First one, testing level. So testing level definition, what is? Testing levels are basically to identify missing areas and prevent overlap and repetition between the development lifecycle phases. So whenever the development is started for any project, so they will start with the code. After complete that, we are doing the testing. So many types of testing we will do, then it will go for the release. That is the high level scenario happening in the industry. Now, if we are not proceeding with some systematic way, systematic process level by level, then we can miss something in coding side or in scenario side, test case side, something will be missed. So we should follow some good approach level by level. Like if you don't know about the software testing concept and direct you are going to learn automation, or direct you are going to learn Hadoop testing. So level by level you are not following, you will miss something. So many information you will miss, then so many terminology you will miss, you will not able to understand the project. At the end you cannot work. If you got due to some reason in any project with some reference or something, also you will miss your opportunity. If you are studying also level by level, you are going standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, slowly you are going up to standard 10, then you are going into intermediate level, then btech level, like that. So what are those are levels. If you are working in a company also, level by level it is promoting. First you will join as a junior software engineer, then software engineer, senior software engineer, then team lead, then manager, then senior project manager, then it will be delivery manager, then group head, department head, like that it will go up to director, or you can reach up to CEO or something. So what are those are levels. So whenever you are doing testing for one application or software, also some levels are there. You should follow those levels. If without following levels we are going, then lot of trouble will face in middle. Where we will face the trouble, what type of trouble we can tell, but lot of troubles we can face. So systematic way, level wise we can go. In software development lifecycle models, whenever the software will be developed, then it is defined already, different phases need to be come. So in those phases, which level of testing need to do, in which stage what testing, in which stage what testing. Next class we will discuss software development lifecycle model with the phases. So whenever we are referring or developing any project, some phases we are going through from starting to ending. So to pass with different phases, we have to clear those levels also. Okay, so you are doing the BTech. So 4 years is there in BTech. So to cross all those 4 years, different levels you have to pass out. Level 1, level 2, like semester 1, semester 2, then only you are crossing. In one level it is failed, then again you have to clear that level. Similarly here also, level by level we have to go. One level is failed, again need to check that level. If it is passed, then it will go for the next level. So what are those levels? Total 4 types of levels are available here. First one is the below one, unit testing. Second level is integration testing. Third level is system testing. And fourth level is acceptance testing. So what is unit testing? Unit testing is just a code checking. Code of the program need to check. Who will do that? Developer people will do that. If testers know the coding part, then you can involve, otherwise ignore that. Mostly developer people will be involving, testers are not involving in the coding part of or programming part. Okay, so unit testing is purely coding. Whatever code they have written, need to check first. It is not like that ABCD XYZ they have written means that is correct only. Maybe some problem is there, it is not matching with the logic, rules, business implementation, or some syntax problem is there, or it is not fetching the records, or it is not able to connect multiple databases. It can be anything, and number of reasons are there. So they will write and they will do the test also. One person has written means another person can also do the test. So all the coding related activity or testing, what it is going on in the organization, that is called as unit testing. So that will be the first level. If unit testing is not done or not completed properly or so many errors are coming, it should not go to the next level, integration testing level. Without complete or without clear or without pass the first level, it should not go to the second level. Sometime in few companies, they are not following the good approach, and without doing unit testing, developer people are telling to the testers that you can start doing testing. So whenever you are opening the application, lot of bugs are coming. First day only or within 1 hour only 40-50 bugs are coming. That is not a good symptom. It will means a great impact for the developers. So if that report will go to the higher management, suppose you are working in TCS for Vodafone company, Vodafone client, then it is not a good symptom for Vodafone. In 1 day, 1 hour, testers reach 50 bugs, and that is a very small application. So that will be blamed to the developer. Maybe they can change the development team, or they can uh, remove them, or something will happen. So to suppress all those things, first developer people should check all the details from their side in the code. So if those codes are properly checked, everything, then it will be reduced with the bug. Code is proper, then bug is will be very low only. So instead of getting 50 or 40 bucks within 1 hour, it will be reduced to 2 or 3 bucks. That is fine, no problem. That is expected. Okay, so if it is completed, everything is done from development side, level 1, they will go for the second level, level 2. That is integration testing. Integration means integrating, combining, mixing. So in unit testing, unit or component wise, they have tested the code. Suppose one bank application we can take, that is your project. In that bank application, transfer the amount is one unit or one component from one bank to another bank. Second is receive the amount in which date, which time it can. You can check that. Then in which mode transaction are happening. RTGS, okay, RTGS is one another feature or one component. Then NEFT, that is one component. Then another is IMPS mode you are transferring, that is one component. So these are different receiving and transferring with different mode, how it is coming. Somebody deposited with cash, you received or not, what comment it is there. So all those together, suppose 10 are there. So 10 components you can tell, or 10 features, or 10 units. So all those separately they will check the code, developer people. That is called as unit testing. Now combinedly they can check. Okay, so in that application, in that website, in one page, all those options are present. So combinedly they can check now. At a time, 5 transactions they will do. One transaction will be one to one, another is for common to 3 people it will go, one will be IMPS, one will be RTGS. Just select all those combinations, then submit button. At a time, all those 5 will happen. That is called as integration. So code level they can do testing unit wise or independent wise, all those features. Then combinedly also they can check all these features. If independently, then that is called a unit testing. If combinedly, then that is called as integration testing. Only for code part, not functionality part. Okay, so functionality part is very less for developer. Their main intention is code part. Coming to tester, code part is very rare or less. Your main focus is functionality part. 95% will be functionality, 5% will be coding side. And coming to developer, 95% will be coding part and just 5% will be this functionality part. Now integration testing also completed from their side. After that, they should tell to the tester that we completed unit testing and integration testing. You can start your testing, system testing. So after, if it is coming to the testing team, whatever testing you will perform, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, sanity, smoke, regression, retesting, negative, positive, whatever you will perform, all are coming under this system testing only, third one. Okay, so you will be involved more and more in the system testing only. 90-95% of your involvement will be in the system testing, because first two level you are not involved, third level only you are involving, and any kind of testing you will do, all those are coming under this level 3 only. Okay, after complete all the testing, functionality, non-functionality, positive, negative, sanity, smoke, we'll discuss later in another 1 or 2 class. After that, we'll discuss those kind of testing. So all those together, whatever you will perform, those are in level 3. After completed this level 3, it will go for the acceptance testing. That will be the level 4. Level 4, and that is the last level. So in this way, total 4 levels are there. Like in your BTech, 4 years are there or 8 semesters are there to complete. All levels, all 8 semesters you passed, then only you can tell that I completed my BTech. Here also, all 4 levels are completed, then only we can tell that testing is completed. Otherwise, we cannot tell. Only 2 levels are completed, we cannot tell testing is completed. 3 levels is completed, we cannot tell testing is completed. If we are going to tell testing is completed, means all these 4 levels should be complete. Then only we can tell that complete work. Okay. So what is this acceptance testing now? Who will involve in that? In this acceptance testing, clients will involve. So Vodafone project you are doing in TCS company. So Vodafone is your client. Vodafone is giving business to TCS. You are under Vodafone. So they are your boss. So you have to follow them as a owner, user. Because of them only you are working, you are getting salary. So they are your boss only. Now Vodafone is given to you means blindly they cannot accept that whatever you did all are perfect. They will also do some small check. Suppose you recruited one person for any of your personal work or to maintain your shop or to maintain your cleaning purpose in your house, anything. It is not like that you recruited and you are giving the salary per month 10,000 or 20,000. You have to check that also properly that lady or that gent is doing or not. Whatever your expectation is doing everything or not, timely doing or not. Then only you can give the salary. Otherwise, you can replace to another person. Same thing, Vodafone given the project to TCS company with some deal, maybe 5 crores or 10 crores with some deadline of time 6 months or 1 year. Now TCS completed everything with all these 3 levels. So last level, Vodafone will check, that client will check this last level. That is called as acceptance testing. So whenever the client will involve for checking or testing the activity, that will again two types. Okay. Uh, so this acceptance testing is again two types. One is alpha testing and another is beta testing. This is very, very important. Many people are not able to tell, who are just showing the experience and learning. They are not able to tell, purely real time only. So in this acceptance testing, it will be two parts. One is alpha and another is beta. What is alpha and what is beta? Okay, so first will come alpha testing. Once it is completed, then it will come beta testing. In alpha testing, what will happen? Client will involve. Client means your Vodafone. In the same example you can take. So 2, 3 or 4 persons who are looking about that project, those persons will be available. And along with that, you will also available. Suppose you are from testing team. In your team, 5 persons are there. So those 5 persons and development done by 6 persons. So 5 plus 6, all 11 persons can be available, or few are not available absent, that is fine. Few persons should available from testing team and development team. Manager will be available, then leads, development lead, testing lead, everybody will be available, and somebody will be walk through with all the flow, mostly from testing team. You have to give the walkthrough. Who did that requirement testing, they will give the walkthrough. So client will see in that meeting, like we are doing here, same thing. In your company, you will be in Hyderabad or somewhere, you will share your screen with the project clients, everybody will join. You can explain what exactly this requirement, what input you have given, what output it is coming, this is our requirement, it is matching with the expectation, yes. So this is the data we are getting, this functionality it is working based on our requirement, these are the flow, everything you can explain them. So if anything they are not able to understand from client side, Vodafone people, they can ask few questions to you. What is this, can you explain again? Or instead of that, if you are giving some other value, then what will happen? If RTGS we are doing, two checkboxes are there, RTGS and another is IMPS. So if we are transforming to one person, Then either one of the mode we can select, but here checkbox is there. If you will select both the checkbox, then how the money will be transferred? Suppose they captured that problem. So what you can do, if it is a checkbox, then both can be selected. One should be selected, then it should become with radio button. In radio button, one option should be selected. It will not allow two options. So one part they capture, suppose this one. So again they can tell that no, this is not a good thing. You can check it again. So again it will come for testing. You can check, and again developer people will change that. They will change from checkbox to radio button. Like that, if anything is captured by the client at that time while you are showing, explaining by your screen sharing in alpha testing, then they can inform also. No problem, just they capture, but major problem should not come. One, two, fine. If 5, 7 points they are identifying, then it will be bad impact to the tester. Why you have not captured? What type of testing you did? And again, next requirement it is happening same. Like that, 2, 3 project they will see, then they will remove you. You are not doing good testing. So whenever you are doing alpha testing, be careful. Whatever you prepared, in that way you can explain them. They should not catch any problem which you missed, so that it will be the good symptom. Want to find if they are capturing. Otherwise, uh, you can try, if you know intentionally that is there also, don't show them. If they are knowing that and they are asking, that is separate case. So try to reduce. And anyway, we are going for alpha testing, means all testings are done. It should not come with any bug. Okay, now everything done. If client is okay, they are fine, then they can give the assignment that, okay, we did the alpha testing, come under this acceptance testing, and it is done. We all people involved. Now we need some time, 2 days we need, so that we'll check it again thoroughly from our side only, and then we'll give you the confirmation. After that, beta testing will start. Beta. So in this beta testing, what will happen? Client persons only they will involve. From Vodafone only 3, 4, 5 persons who are doing the testing activity, they can assign them. Thoroughly you can test everything. They will test again. Maybe they have written separate test cases, or maybe overall approach they will follow, or maybe they will take the test cases from you, whatever it may be. They will test it again from their side. Without testing, how they can confirm whatever you did, that is confirmed or not? Because in alpha testing, just half an hour you will show. That requirement is a big one. Within half an hour, what you can cover? So overall high level approach only you are showing. That's all. In alpha testing, in a meeting, all people are involved in that. Now, from their side, internally they will do, they will not involve you at all. No developer, no tester, no manager, no test manager, nobody, nothing. Secretly, they will do that without involving any team member from your organization. They will take some time based on the requirement. If that is a big one, 5 days also they can take. If it is a small one, half day they can take. If it is a medium type, then 2 days also they can take. So based on that, they will decide the timing and they will take that. Suppose 2 days. So after checking 2 days from their persons, Vodafone persons, they are okay. They are not finding any bug, and everything is correct, functionality, everything, they are satisfied. Then they can tell that, okay, you can go ahead for your release, and we don't have any objection, and we did not found any bug or anything. All are looking good. Thanks for your participation. Thanks for your development and testing. They will send a mail. So that mail approval is required for you to go with the live or release. Now again, they will find out something in this beta testing. Then they can inform. It should not come in beta testing. It should be 0. 1 is coming also, it is not good symptom. So if they are getting 1 or 2 something, not working issue problem, then again they will inform. So again you can test, developer will fix, again you can close that, and you can inform them now what problem you identified, it is working properly, and can you look into this again and give the approval so that we can go for the release. So all those activities should complete before your release date only. Suppose today is release date, then before today it should be complete everything. 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, you will get all levels will be complete. So last will be acceptance level done by client side. Here two parts, alpha, beta. So this is about alpha and beta. After complete that, release will come. After release, your part done. Now you will get another requirement, another project. Then you can start working on that project. In that project also all level will go. After complete release, again you will assign with another project. That only it is happening in the industry. So this is about the levels, and more focus, more important is this acceptance. Other levels people are able to explain, but in acceptance they are not able to explain. Okay, any doubt, anything from anybody?
Can you once explain about integration testing?
Which one?
Integration testing.
Integration testing, just a combination only. Multiple features or components will be there. Individually, if it is testing, that is called a unit testing. Combinedly, if it is checking, then that is called as integration testing.
Sir, individually testing means unit testing. That mixed testing is integration, sir.
Mixed is integration.
Okay. Already unit testing is done. After that, integration testing.
Yes, after unit
First.
only integration will come.
Okay.
Okay. Any application you can take. Suppose booking ticket, irctc.co.in. There are also
Okay.
lot of features are there. So only one
First,
feature.
module testing, and
Module.
another one is
Yes.
integration, mixed
Yes.
testing.
Module, component, unit, only it will take. The alternative name of component or module is unit only.
Integration also not involve the developer, sir. Only tester.
No, integration developer. First two will be developer.
First
Integration and
will be
unit
developer.
testing are developer. These are coding part.
Okay.
After that, you will involve here system testing. And acceptance testing, one part you will involve, alpha part, not beta.
Sir, once again explain system testing, sir. Just to
System testing, everything you will test. That is purely testing. Testing team will do.
purely.
No involvement of development, no involvement of client. Independently, you will do the testing. Actual execution you will do. After complete the test case writing, test environment preparation, test data preparation, actual execution, practical, you will do here in the system testing level. So
Acceptance testing.
various types of testings are available. We'll discuss tomorrow class, like sanity, smoke, functionality, non-functionality, negative, positive, regression, retesting. So many testings are there. All those are coming under system testing only. In this level 3, you have to perform all those.
Sir, acceptance testing is involved that client, sir. One session.
One session will be with client and another will be only client. No involvement from organization side. First involvement is alpha. In alpha testing, you will also involve.
Alpha testing.
In
Client
beta,
also involved, sir. Alpha testing.
in alpha testing, everybody will involve. Testing team, development team, managers, then client side, some persons, business analyst, everybody will involve in that alpha testing. Just a
Beta.
mock through type it is, walk through or mock interview type that will be. You tested, you have to explain them in high level within half an hour only. You have to share your screen like this, which I shared now, and explain everything, all the functionality one by one, one by one. You can execute in high level. You can explain within half an hour. You have to complete everything.
Okay.
Not in detail, because detail means it will take one day also.
Okay.
If
Beta,
any
sir?
question, discuss. In beta detail level, they will do from their side. They will not involve you.
Okay.
What they are checking, how they are checking, what data they are, you don't know anything. They will do in their way.
Who will be involved, sir? Beta testing?
Their side. From their side also for beta testing, some persons will be there, testers.
Okay.
They can engage them. Their job is to do the beta testing only.
Okay.
Final one, they are testing. They will not go in depth with unit, integration, system. They are just giving us the requirement, that is their business. So just for final conclusion or confirmation, they are also checking. So who are investing higher management, they don't have the technical knowledge. That's why they are also recruiting some testers, 1, 2, 3 persons. They will do in their level only, beta testing only. Okay. Any other doubt? Here only they can capture in acceptance study. Really you worked or not worked. Few questions are there, easily people are getting captured. So in that way you can prepare and tell, so that it will go smoothly. Okay, any other doubt from anybody? Manasa, Sudha?
No, sir.
Okay. So these are only explanation. It is mentioned what is unit testing, what can be done in integration testing, system and acceptance. Okay, next is integration testing method. Some methods are approached or used in integration testing level. So integration means what happened? Combination, combined. This is one module, suppose module A, another module is B, and few parts are common. In module A also it is present, module B also it is present. Or maybe it is not common, it is linked from module A to module B. That can also happen. Okay, so what approach need to follow? In this integration testing, if those modules are combined, then some connectivity should be there. How it will connect from module A to module B? Suppose transfer only we can discuss. One is IMPS and another is NEFT. So module 1 to module B. In module 1 NEFT is there. In module 2 IMPS is there. So whenever we'll do the transfer, either one of these two we have to select. So one is selecting, then other should not ask for the selection. If we are selecting, then it will throw some error or something. So one can be done. Now one transaction we are doing now in some bank, these features also added. We can add 5 persons, like salary it is coming in a organization. 31st last working day you are getting the salary. So one by one they are not transferring, it is already feeded, so that it is routing IMPS NEFT with different person, different salary amount at a time, it is routing. So for all persons it is doing with different combinations. Citibank it is going, suppose your salary account is Citibank, and some are having salary bank account HDFC Bank, some are having salary account ICICI Bank. Like that, 5 banks are there. You are working in TCS company. 5 banks they are providing for salary. Now TCS company also having one account from where they are transferring to these salary for the candidates. So suppose they are using one bank, that is Standard Chartered Bank. Okay, so from Standard Chartered Bank, it will transfer to Citibank, it is working or not. That is one module. Then it is transferring correctly to HDFC Bank or not. That is one module. Suppose it is transferring to HDFC, but it is not able to transfer ICICI Bank, then that is a problem. So individually, if you are testing, then that is called as unit testing. Now combinedly, if you are testing, 10 persons customer ID and account number details you can add, and just give the option. Okay, Sony 10,000, Rakesh 50,000, like that. Just mention everything. Click submit button. It will route to all those different banks, and within 1 second it will transfer everybody. So different bank is there now. Then all are NEFT or RTGS or IMPS, that is fine, but bank is coming different way. So those are different component now you can think. From Standard Chartered Bank to what is that? ICICI Bank, one module. Standard Chartered Bank to another bank, another module. Like that, 10 banks or 5 banks are there. So 5 modules will be there. Now what is happening at the end? Whenever companies are transferring the salary, integration only they are doing. So if that is not tested by somebody, then how it will be transferred? It will be problem. So integration testing also required. Whenever this integration testing is coming, then one approach is following here: top-down approach, and another is bottom-up approach, and another is big bang approach or hybrid or sandwich. So in project also, so many modules will be there. Module 1, okay, that is a big module that is splitted into another 3 modules. Module 2, 3, 4. Those 2, 3, 4 modules, again it is very big. It will be splitted into again 5 modules or 7 modules. So like that it will be splitted from top to bottom. If it is splitted from top to bottom and each modules are checked by individual persons or 2 persons are checking, and that approach you are following, then that is called as a top-down approach. Whenever the modules are connecting, it is following the top-down approach. And whenever the modules are connecting or integrating, bottom-up also possible. 100 modules are there. Those 100 modules, 10 modules it is divided and connecting to 10 modules on top of that. Those 10 modules are connecting with 4 modules or something. Those 4 are connecting with 2 modules. Those 2 are going to one final module. That is the highest one. So bottom up also possible, top down also possible. But most of the project, 90-95% project are following top down approach only. And the mixing of these two is called as Big Bang approach or hybrid or sandwich combination of top down plus bottom up. So some requirements in that project they are following top down. In some requirement project is only one. In that one project 10 requirements you are getting, suppose 10 functionality. So few functionality they are checking top down approach, few functionality you are using with bottom up approach based on the client requirement. In that case it can be called as Big Bang approach or hybrid or sandwich because combinedly it is using for same project. Okay, now whenever you are doing top down approach, this you will not involve in this integration, just concept only you can remember. Practically you will not involve in that, that is for developer only. But concept you should know since you will work in the project, and that's why they are asking in the interview also. Can you explain about the approach of integration testing? Next, coming to top down approach, stub is there, stub. And coming to bottom up approach, driver is there. These two terminology you can remember. Okay, so here just see this diagram. One is top down, another is bottom up. Okay, so module one, that is the project, all total overall project, that is split into two parts, two modules, module 2, module 3. Again, module 2 is divided into two parts, again two modules, and module 3 again separated or connected with another module. This is the structure of your project, suppose. So how it is happening? From top to bottom it is coming. The code also it will pass from top to bottom. That is called as top down approach. Now reverse way, opposite also possible. Same structure, same thing, everything only. Whenever the test will happen, developer will test or testing people will test, whatever it may be. From last part you have to start module 2, module 4, module 5, module 6. Then you can go for the module 2, module 3, module 1, like that. Now how it is connecting module 4 and module 5 together, it is connecting with module 2. Module 2 and module 3 it is together connecting with module 1. So here some connection is there, interface. Then only it will be understandable by connecting. Okay, so whenever the connection is there here and one part is not developed, suppose. Okay, so here module 1 is separate, module 3 is separate, some connection is there between these two. Then only if we will connect we can get. Otherwise it will not get. So to connect these two, which connection is there, that is fine, but individually if you are working, this is working, suppose, but whenever you are working this module it is not working because some informations are required from module 2 also, module 3 also, then only it will work. Okay, so it is under progress, suppose module 1 is not yet completed development, it is under progress, maybe it will take 2 days or 3 days. So in that case what will happen, if it is incomplete, then developer people will write a small program that is called as stop. If it is a top down approach, so that stop will be behave as module 1. Now we can connect, this is a temporary program, not permanent, final. After finalize or completed their development, module 1 will come. But now for the timing stop we can use. This is a temporary program for this module 1. Now we can connect with this and test. A developer will connect with this and test. So that is stop. Similarly, bottom up approach, if it is coming, same process, somewhere it is not completed. Suppose module 2 complete, module 1 completed, module 2 completed, here this is not completed, module 5. It is going bottom up, bottom to up approach it is going on. So whenever it is testing integratedly module 5 and module 2, what the problem will happen, module 5 is not completed. So how it will go some data to module 2, and how combinedly or integratedly we can check, problem will come. So whatever it is completed, or final completion type, one small program, temporary program they can make it, developer, that will be called as a driver. Okay, so that driver will be behave as a module 2 now, which is incomplete. Sorry, this module 5, which is incomplete. So in place of module 5, driver will behave as one module or one program. So based on that, it will be connect and test, develop, repeatedly test. So incomplete part, if we are checking, then only this top and driver funda is coming. If it is top down approach, then that name is called as stop. If it is bottom up approach, then that temporary name will be called as a driver. That is just a program only, temporary program, that's all, not permanent. So who developed the software testing or software development concept, they have given this name. So we have to refer those names only, stop and driver. So this will come in top down and bottom up approach.
Prakash,
Okay.
can you take another examples of top down and bottom of? I can't understand for this top down and bottom up
Okay.
because diagram is both are same, right?
Diagram both are same here. So we can take another diagram also. Suppose
Okay.
this is one module, this is one module, this is one module. Another module also we can take. Total 4 modules. So these two modules connecting, these two modules connecting. After that, this is one module and this is one module. On top of that, again these two are connecting. Now you reach to your destination. So here what is happening from bottom, it is going on, all these things. So it can be called as a bottom up approach. Both are same, only reverse way it is going on, that's all, nothing is there. So here don't give the name module 1, module 2 or anything. So one is completed, another is not completed. Suppose this is completed, this is not completed, but integration testing need to do. This is your timeline, today is integration testing date. So what to do? We can't stop, it is not completed. Sometime what will happen, if it will not implement in that portal, final portal in test environment, also some links will be there temporarily, you will get those links, URL, HTTPS, some URL you will get. If you are using that, then on behalf of that, it can be displayed also. Some temporary URL, if it is a web-based application, some temporary URL you will get from the developer. And if they are checking, they will also use the temporary URL. So if they are using the temporary URL, then it will come. Whatever availability should be there here, all will display there around 70-80%, so that it can proceed with the testing. It cannot be blocker. It cannot be stopped. Instead of using that module permanently, we are using one temporary. Suppose you don't have bike today, so you can go buy another bike, or you don't have car, you can alternatively go by a taxi or bus or metro train, same thing only. Since it is not completed 100%, maybe 70% completed, so one alternative option they are giving, one program or application only that will be present instead of this. Now using that driver and this module connectingly, it will be tested. This is not present now, the driver will be present. Again on top of that, this is there, so they can complete their testing. Why they will stop their testing for today? Again tomorrow they can be resolved that issue and they can integrate all together permanently. That is the thing only. Since it is going from bottom, that's why they have given one name as driver. Approach is same, concept is same, everything is same for incompleted part only. They have given just two different names, bottom to up, then driver, top to bottom, then stop. Only name is changed. Concept is same only. So any example you can take, bank or telecom, anything. Multiple modules are there, few modules are not completed. In that case, temporary modules they are making, that's all, nothing is there. Okay, so practically if you will see, then you will not involve in all those activity. These are for developer only. Integration and unit testing will be developer. Rest of the testing you will be involved. These are coding related activity. Okay, any question? Top down, bottom up?
No, Prakash.
Okay, So same thing only it is mentioned. This stub is called as a called program, and driver is called as calling program. They have given just a different name only. So that is just a temporary substitute only, nothing else. Okay, now another approach is Big Bang or sandwich. If it is combinedly, both are present. Top-down approach also going on, bottom-up approach also going on. Both type of approach you are doing in the project. Then it will be called as a hybrid or sandwich or Big Bang. Any name you can tell, all are same only. Name is changing.
Prakash,
Okay, so these are the different levels.
Prakash, what may be the model? Can you explain module one?
Which one?
Module. Module
These,
one.
these are different modules only.
So what is exactly meaning module?
No, modules means one feature you can say. Suppose ICICI Bank is there, irctc.co.in is there. What are the different modules? So you can book the ticket, that is one module. You can cancel the ticket, that is one module. Then you can change the date of journey, that can be done in one module. So different functionalities will be there. One functionality will be one module.
Okay.
The project will be very big. Thousands of things are there in the project. So all together, if you will try to understand, it will be difficulty. So separate page they are doing in one page or in one location, one functionality.
Okay. Depends upon project.
Depends upon project. It can contain one module, it can contain 100 modules.
Okay.
If small modules are divided, then it will be easy for you.
Okay.
If big modules are dividing in the project, then it will little bit complex for you. Okay, so this is about test level. Total 4 levels are there. Any questions from today class?